Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi everyone. How are you? This is the Codecademy tutorial. Here I'll do the quiz of Introduction to HTML. Let's start. Which of the following tags would contain the HTML for a web page's visible content? Body tag, HTML tag, cont tag, or about tag. So the visible content of web page is inside the body tag. So this is the correct answer. The body tag in HTML contains all of the page's visible content. Next, what is the correct definition of an HTML element? The correct definition of an HTML element is an opening tag and closing tag and the content inside of them. So an HTML tag and the content that it contains or markup. I think this is the correct answer. Let's take the option. First is the first or opening HTML tag. This is not correct. HTML code that does not require opening or closing tags. HTML requires opening and closing tags. So this is not the correct. The second or closing HTML tag. Closing tags have a forward slash inside of them. This is correct, but the correct definition is, I think, this one, an HTML tag and the content that it contains or markup. Next, match the blanks with the proper syntax to create an HTML paragraph element from the text. So this is the content, and in HTML correct definition we know that we have the opening and closing tag and it is the paragraph element. So definitely this is the opening tag, and closing tag is angle bracket, the forward slash, and the p tag. I mean the name of the element. So this is the paragraph element. Correct. And next, which of the following is the correct syntax for the paragraph HTML element? So opening and closing tag paragraph has. So this is the opening tag. I'm a paragraph, but this is that one use backslash, but the closing tag use forward slash. So I think this one is the correct. The closing tag in this paragraph has the correct notation with the forward slash coming before the element name. So next, the following code results in no visible output to the browser. Why? See here, use the ordered list, and we know unless we not use the list element, we cannot see the output. So that's why here is no list element. So we have to use the list element. So list items must be added to the list. I think this is the correct. All other shows incorrect to me. So got it. So why is the code below incorrect? It used the video source. So we know the video element tag is not a self closing tag. So we need the video opening tag and the closing tag, and also width, height, and so here is missing. The video element is not a self closing. It should have an opening and closing tag. So this is the correct. Next, what HTML code will most web browsers display as italics? So we know italics from shows the emphasize M tag. So this one looks correct to me because it has opening and closing all correctly and inside the content. And strong, we know when we want to see the bold, then we can use the strong. And div is just, you can portion any particular section, you can use div. And p is the paragraph tag. So display as italics is emphasize. The abbreviation HTML stands for which of the following? As we know, HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So hypertext markup language, this one. These are just confusing. So this is the correct. So next, how would the output of the code below change if UL are changed to the OL? That means unordered list to ordered list. So we all know this is correctly write down the unordered list. But if you want to change the ordered list, the output will be the numbered. Unordered list, the output shows the bullet points, and ordered list, the output shows the numbers. So bullet points in the output would change to numbers. I think this one correct. Next, which of the following elements will directly affect the vertical space in an HTML layout? So break we use as a vertical line, means line break. If you want to line break, we can use the break element. So next, which element is the parent of the p my paragraph? So here is the paragraph 1. So P is the child of the body, and inside the div they use the paragraph. So this P element is the child of the div element. So parent will be the div. Next, the following code is supposed to display an image but fails to do so. Why? So in image tag, we know after image we have to use the source option, and the source equal within the double quotation marks we will use the address. So here missing the source equal and double quotation marks. So I have to check which one has the source attribute. Here the source attribute is missing and must be set equal to the image URL enclosed in double quotation marks. This one is correct to me. The last question. Which of the following is valid HTML for the heading tag with the smallest size and lowest rank in the hierarchy? As we know, in HTML has H1 to H6. So H1 is the highest one and H6 is the smallest one. So H6, this is the correct. HTML supports headings from ranging from H1 biggest to H6 smallest. Next. That's it. We did 100% correct. So we can go up next. So this is the video I'm ending now. Next tutorial we'll do the HTML document standard. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends.